Hello, you're welcome everybody to this short introduction on how to use Sci-Hub. Say you're carrying out a research for your undergraduate, graduate, or postgraduate studies, and then you would come to a place like Google Scholar to come and search for papers. Let's say you're doing something on semiconductor, or let's say organic photovoltaic cells. Come to a place like Google Scholars, you type in the papers you're looking for. So you see things like this HTML PDF. It means that these ones are readily available. You can just click them and then you can download. But there are some that are not readily available. For instance, this. Let's see what happens here. It is uploaded by Wiley and it says that it is advanced. So let's see if we can access it without issue. So okay, this is it. There's the abstract, there's supporting content. Okay, the PDF is also available. Alright, so you can just easily download this article and then you can read up on it and consult it for your research studies. But there was one I found the other day. Let me just impute this so that I don't waste your time. So let's say molecular semiconductors in organic photovoltaic cells. Let's search for this. So this paper right here was published by ACS Publications, and it's interesting that you cannot download it, you cannot access it like the one we just did for the single junction organic photovoltaic cells. You can see the abstract, you can see the table of content here, but you cannot access it. You have to pay for it. If you click on purchase access, you're gonna have to pay, let's see how much, $48, and that's only for 48 hours. So you're paying it's interesting, 48 hours, you're paying $48 to access it for 48 hours. And imagine that your research is going to take how many papers? Maybe 50. So that's 48 times 50. It does not add up. So, but you can still access this paper using Sci-Hub, and you have this is what you have to do. Every paper would have a DOI, so you copy the DOI here and then you come to Sci-Hub. At the time of the recording, the current website of Sci-Hub is sci-hub-hub.se. Every now and then they get delisted, they get banned, they get their domain gets hijacked because powerful publishers don't want them to keep doing what they're doing. So when you find the current website of Sci-Hub at the time you're watching, it's always very similar. The design are always very similar. So you just enter the DOI you just copied, you enter it here and then you open. So when you click on open, it literally does that for you. It opens the PDF or the paper that you want to conduct. So you can see this is molecular semiconductors in organic photovoltaic cells, and this is the paper. You can see 47 pages, and you have access to the paper. You can download it, you can save it, and then that's just it. You can continue with your research without having to pay $48 for only to have access to it for just 48 hours. So that's how to use Sci-Hub in a nutshell. Keep learning, keep building, keep innovating. Cheers.